So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to find your iPhone's permanent Wi-Fi MAC address. Now, with new iOS iterations starting with iOS 14, when you go to settings and then under settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then under Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, you can see your Wi-Fi address or MAC address. But this, because you have private Wi-Fi address enabled, your iPhone will create a new MAC address for every Wi-Fi network that you connect to. So it's going to be dynamic and it's going to keep changing. But then your iPhone has its own permanent MAC address. And to find that, you can either turn this off. So just tap on that and tap on continue. And then it should, once you turn that off, once you turn this private Wi-Fi address feature on, you can actually see your permanent Wi-Fi address. Okay. And if you can take note of this Wi-Fi address and then go back to your iPhone settings, and then under settings, go to general, and then under general, tap on about and look for Wi-Fi address. You can see it matches that Wi-Fi address. And this is basically the permanent Wi-Fi MAC address of your iPhone. Okay. And that's basically how to say it. Thanks for watching and good luck.